Hi everyone, I am hopping on live to share with you how to use your sample. So for those of you that are receiving samples, I'm super excited that you got one. I just want to do a little quick demo so that you know how to use it really, and just the difference between this powerzyme and what we know and love as the Ultra Power Plus, okay, the UPP. That's probably what you've known. Okay, so I have 2 glass jars here. We won't actually be able to see this until tomorrow. I'll come back and go live and show you what this looks like. I have no idea, honestly, how this is gonna look like. The demo that I've been showing you actually uses strawberry sauce. It's strawberry sauce, okay? So I don't have strawberry sauce, but I'm curious and I wanna know how this works. So what I did is I filled up both of these glasses with water. And then what I've done is I squirted ketchup on both of them. And that didn't seem to turn the water, you know, red enough. So I've also added like this olive juice to it. And that kind of turned it. And just for kicks and fun, I'm also gonna put this strawberry jam, well, and I don't have much. So it's really, I'm hoping that it's kind of like the sauce, okay? And because there was more on this one, I'm just gonna actually put the laundry detergent on this one. Okay, so I'm just really trying to turn it red so that we can see what happens when we actually add powerzyme to it. Now, the powerzyme, which is our new one. Okay, let me just wash my hands really quick. All right, so the powerzyme is this. It's the same bag as the UPP, the Ultra Power Plus, okay? The difference is it'll say powerzyme and it has 3 enzymes. So the UPP is not scented. This one doesn't have fragrances either, but you will have a smell from the plant-based enzymes, okay? Because there's 3 of them. So that's what you're smelling, is the enzymes when you get it, okay? So when you get your sample, you're either gonna get this one or this one. My kids have done this one. I'll tell you the difference here first, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually add 2 teaspoons. I'm almost to the end of this because we created a lot of samples, but let me just kind of show you. It's the same cup, and then a full load is down to maybe a little less than this. You do want to use the recommended size, okay? So this is a full size, so it's about, and that's what the instructions will say, okay? Now, I'm only gonna put 2 teaspoons of this into this solution, just so that you kind of know how this powerzyme works. Now, the demo that I've shown you, it actually takes 6 hours for this water to start turning. And with this, obviously you're gonna see much faster, but tomorrow I'll show you what this looks like, okay? So right now it's just kind of turning brown. This is still red, right? And that's just the effects of the enzyme, because the enzymes are intended to break down odors and smells and just tough stains, okay? So again, the instructions are gonna tell you that you need to use up to this, like right below that, right there, for it to be a full size load. If it's half a load, if it's like a medium size load, then you're gonna use 2/3. And then if it's a small load, you're gonna use 1/3, okay? Now, when you get in a sample, you're either gonna get a sachet like this or a sample size like this. This sample size like this, my kids have done, and we were using our own bag, right? They have only put 2 teaspoons of this. So I would use this on a small load, a small stinky load, and because 2 teaspoons of it is not even that much, I will tell you. 2 teaspoons. Yeah, I mean, I would use it on a small load, okay? Because 2 teaspoons, I think, is this, okay? So use this on a small load. I think your card might say small to medium, but I want you to actually see the effects of the enzyme. So put a stinky load. If you have athletic clothes, it's really good if you have hard water too. Even with the hard water, the athletic clothes. So if you have kids in sports, teenagers, you know, because they're kind of experiencing different hormonal changes and things like that, this is really, really good on it. So try this. If you get this sample, make sure you use it on a small load. If you get this sample, if you have an HE, this is a full size. So that's going to be your full scoop of this. So you're going to get 1 full large load, okay, for this. And it says, let me see, it says if you have a standard load, you're going to use the whole thing. If you have a large load, one large washer load, so use the full sachet. If you have a standard like washing machine, a conventional washing machine, then this is good for a medium load. But if you have an HE, then this is good for a large load, okay? Yay. All right, so tomorrow I will show you the difference between these two. This is looking kind of dark right now, and this is the one with the enzymes. So I'll come back tomorrow and just kind of show you my experiment. I have no idea, honestly. I have no idea. All right, thanks for letting me do this.